Hi everyone, Katie here from Clark's Condensed. Today I'm excited to introduce to you Cricut's newest product, their Iron-on Designs. These are a great way to make some custom products. So as you can see here, some different ideas: aprons, canvases, pillows, even hats, without having to make the design yourself. They come in a sheet like this, and it just has the design all ready to go. It's on a clear sheet, and then you just iron it on. They have tons of different ideas that you can order, and they're just a couple of dollars each. Here's a couple different ideas, or a couple different options they have. There's a sprinkle one, a little guitar, a sushi roll, a game day, this little headphone guy, and they have a lot more. They have some really fun ones for like for teacher appreciation and for babies. Like they have some amazing ones that would be great for baby outfits or for nursery. The options are just endless for what you can do with it. I have a couple different things here. Like I already said, the apron, the canvas, the hat was a little bit trickier, but we got it to work eventually. The pillow, it went on beautifully. Shoes, not so much. We ended up melting some of the rubber. Good thing these shoes were just like $2. So maybe a smaller design or using your iron with this would be a better option. We are planning to get one to put onto this basket. I didn't have any that I felt fit for it quite well, just like not the right design, but we're gonna get some, and then like little bags you can put them on. There's just really anything that you can put iron-on, you can put these iron-on designs. You don't have to cut them out with the Cricut machine, so anyone can use this even if you don't have a Cricut. But they are available. They have them at Joann's and Michael's and online. The most selection is going to be online. So today I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to be just doing a t-shirt just because that's pretty simple, but I thought it would be helpful to show you how to use the product in case you want to use these designs yourself. So come on over. So I'm just going to do a t-shirt. This is just a women's shirt from, I think I got it at Michael's, and I'm going to use this hangry hashtag shirt because I thought that, or iron-on design, because I thought that was kind of fun. T-shirts are really easy to use with this product. You just kind of put it on and press. It's similar. I mean, you can do more complex designs sometimes with like the printable iron-on, but I feel like this is a little more high quality, a little bit easier to use. So what you do first, you're going to heat if you're using the Easy Press, you're going to heat it to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're using an iron, just put it to the cotton/linen setting. And then from that point on, you can just follow the instructions. It's pretty similar for the iron and the Easy Press past the heat settings. So once you get it heated to 340 or to the cotton linen setting on your iron, you're going to preheat the shirt for about 15 seconds. And I have the Easy Press mat underneath, which is really helpful for protecting surfaces, just making it real easy. So you put it on like that. You just put it wherever you want. And then you'll put your Easy Press on top or your iron for 50 seconds with medium pressure. Okay, so once it's you've done 50 seconds on the front, you're going to flip it over. And then just flip it back over and let it cool for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then you can peel it off. After it's been cooling for a little while, you can just peel it on up, and look, it just goes on there so easily. And you can, there's just so many just multi-dimensional designs that would have been harder to create on your own using vinyl or whatever. So I think that these iron-on designs are a great option from Cricut. You can get them on their website, Joann's and Michael's. If you get them from the website, you can use the coupon code CLARKS10, which is all capital letters, for free shipping and 10% off. So let us know if you have any questions. Bye!